Hello, I'm Brinal. I am currently a Bachelor of Visual Arts practitioner from Bangalore. I'm my third year of Bachelor of Visual Arts. And from the past three sessions that we have been taking, the first session which was taken was about observation and graphite drawing, which began with basic drawing skills that we were trying to introduce to the kids. And with the second session, slowly we started with observation with few shapes of introduction so that they can learn how to make compositions. Over time, we introduced colors and gradients so that they can learn how to shade. And since they were given color pencils, we made sure that they learn even how to mix the colors. And in the third session, since we have to even make it electrical display, so we decided to have more of composition making and skill building along with group activity so that they learn how to interact, communicate with their own teammates and with their make better compositions with good healthy competition, and with that we produced very good collages in combination with compositions that they learned previously.
Hello everyone, என்னோட பேர் சிவபாலன் and I'm here with my associate Sadhana. We are from Michamidi and in collaboration with Kundal, we have come here in the Little Kingdom to have an art integration session. It was for 3 consecutive terms and we engaged with 8th and 9th standard kids. The first term was more about what is paper and what is the sketchbook. We try to give them an unlearning session of how to perceive a sketchbook differently, and they also learned binding techniques and paper making techniques which they integrated into the sketchbook. The second term was more about printing and they explored materials and even natural materials, natural dyes, and we had an elaborate session on vegetable carving and printing on the materials that they had. This was followed by a light and shadow play which was curated entirely by the students, and we had a very beautiful show out of it. In the third term, it was all about making tote bags and shirts from the materials that they had already printed and used for the shadow play, and the students actually went through various dimensions of the material of the same canvas that was given to them in the first term and second term. The sketchbook was predominantly used by the students to sketch what they are going to make further or what they are imagining to make further, and it was a great space for them to explore more about their imagination and other stuff. We sincerely thank the Little Kingdom for giving up such an open space where we could explore and also we could also unlearn and go through this journey along with the kids. It was very interesting and heartfelt thanks for that.
Hello everyone, I'm Pooja. I'm from Bangalore and I've done my bachelor's in visual arts. This year I took session for the 7th standard kids and we learned more about the fundamentals of art. Last year we learned about the basic fundamentals. This time we learned something more than that. We started with light and shadow. We can see the spheres of the kids which they have learned by how light falls on a sphere, and the shadow, they observe all the shadows like core shadow, cast shadow. I'm sure the kids know the meanings of everything now. After that was in the first session. Understanding the light and shadow of the sphere, they learned how light and shadow work on different objects like fruits and elements, other elements like boxes, tables and everything. In the second session, we took the same light and shadow study and we focused more on real life objects which they found in school, and organic and inorganic objects like leaves, boxes and shoes, everything. They kept it together, they organized it in a composition and then they studied it. That's what we did in the second session. And in the third session, we used color to do the color study. So first we started with color theory, where the kids learned more about primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors and how it sits on the color wheel. And understanding with that knowledge, they did the live study with color pencils using complementary, analogous and other color schemes. At the end of the class, we did a small bookmark for each student, letting them be completely creative and with no restrictions. They did whatever they liked with whatever they learned in color theory for the whole. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Prashant from CKP. So we came here for a workshop of copper embossing. So it held by the Kondal and for the 11th class students. So we divided that session into 3, and in the first session we taught what is design, what is pattern, and how to make a composition. So in the second session we went outside of the classes and we learned what is textures, what is pattern and everything, which will be helpful for the students to do their compositions. And in the third day of that session, students started their composition in that sketchbooks, and they developed that into that composition sheet. And later in the end of that week, they transferred that composition, that design, into copper sheets. So before that they were quite interested to learn how to make copper embossing. So we had little session like how to value materials. So to emboss something in the copper sheet, so what's the value of it, how to give a value for it. So we learned little bit like that. And later in the end of the week we started doing the tracing. So students were very interested to learn how many tracing methods are there. So there are almost 16 methods what we explained to them, and from that they took a few materials and few methods to emboss that composition. So the last session, this session, so they started their embossing and started embossing their plates. And at the end of the session they did a group project of 6 feet into 1.5 feet copper embossing sheet, which really came out very well, and the individual works also really good. It was like just they felt very interesting, and thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.